FWE presents Climate IQ Control Tutorial. To begin, turn on the main power switch. To adjust your air temperature, press and hold the Set Values button while dialing the left control knob. To adjust the Climate IQ's relative humidity, press and hold the Set Values button and dial the right control knob. To show actual temperatures and humidity, press the Display Values button. While operating, two alarms may sound. A low temperature alarm will sound if the unit drops below 25 degrees of the set temperature. This most commonly occurs when the cabinet doors are left open for an extended period of time. A low water alarm is activated when the water levels become too low in the water pan. To silence the alarms, press either middle button. To select the high security mode, the unit must first be off. Turn the power on while holding down the humidity knob. Now that your unit displays security high, press both knobs to give you 30 seconds to make any temperature and humidity adjustments before becoming locked in. To return to low security, repeat the process from before. To toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius, hold down the left knob for 10 seconds. At any time, pressing the Display Temperatures button will show the C or F indicating the current temperature scale. To toggle the audible alarms on or off, press and hold the Display Values button for 10 seconds. Press the knobs to toggle their corresponding alarms on or off. That wraps up the Climate IQ Control Tutorial. For more videos like this and information on products, visit us at fwe.com.